I am liking me some Honda. Look at those raspy headlights. Those are coming off. Throwing some new ones on. I already got, ooh, yeah. Hazardous. Got that disconnected. There's the old rear mount. The other mounts are good. Yeah. That was vibrating. And the inner and outer tie rods were shot. So I picked up these. I still have to throw that fitting in there and fill it with grease. I got some pretty good inner and outer tie rods. Yeah, and then popping these in. So we'll see the after photo. Okay, all done with the headlights. Put the bumper cover back on. Tie rod, nipples on there. Filled with grease. And I'm getting a little vibration when I hit the brakes on the freeway off ramp, so new rotors and brake pads going on in a couple of days. And then the Soccer Mom Swagger Wagon will be ready for sale.